Hey everyone, it's Ed at R U Cars. We are back with this 2012 Audi A3. This one's a 2-litre Tfsi, 6-speed manual, black edition, finished in brilliant black. Obviously got the black grille, the rotor alloys, all your usual black edition specification. Got your xenon lights with your DRLs. This one's done 42,000 miles. It's got 8 services with it, and it's in very, very, very nice condition. We have just fitted brand new discs and pads all around. We've fitted 2 new proxy tyres on the front. It's got a pair of Goodyear tyres on the back, which are still really good. And it's absolutely stunning. Now, I valeted this one myself, so it might not be up to our usual standard. Head valeters off this week, but I've done my best. Rest assured, the main man will go over it before it leaves us. But as you can see, it is really nice. It's got the privacy glass. Of course, it is a facelift vehicle, so you've got the rear LED lights. Your reg number is there if you wish to carry out any checks, MOT, history, insurance, tax, etc. But a very, very, very clean and presentable car. Does not look its age. Really is nice. Couple of stone chips on the bonnet. Nothing out of the ordinary. Nothing you shouldn't be expecting for a 10 or 12-year-old car. But nothing that's too stand out. Let's show you inside. This one's got the black partial in leather. But we'll start with the boot. All clean and tidy. Large boot, folding rear seats. Parcel shelf is present with the added storage net. And under here you've got your compressor and bits and bobs in case you get a flat tyre, sorry. There is room for a spare wheel in there should you wish to get one. Got the black leather and cloth interior with the Isofix and rear electric windows. There's no funny smells and it is all very clean and tidy. Got the brushed aluminium trim as well in this one. Same again in the front, very clean, very tidy, no nasties anywhere. We have got the flat bottom 3-spoke steering wheel. We've got Bose audio, electric mirrors, electric windows, etc. We've also got the centre armrest, as you can see there, with the Audi concert stereo and the dual climate control. I'll just start the car so you can see the mileage, see if there's no warnings or anything to be concerned about. So it's saying service due in 8 days, don't panic, that will be carried out by us. It's all included within the price, nothing extra to pay. And as you see, there are no warning lights and the mileage is 42,809. We've got the concert stereo as I mentioned, your dual climate control with ice cold aircon, 6-speed manual, ashtray, cigarette lighter. Don't think this has ever been used, there you go. Auxiliary input just there, cup holder down below, handbooks and locking wheel key in the glove box, and that is about it. I just checked, yep, we've got phone as well in this one, so you've got Bluetooth telephone. Don't think it does Bluetooth audio, but you never know, it might. It definitely does do Bluetooth calls. Please do give us a call on 01509 267 111 if you have any questions, and don't forget, give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching everyone.